This is quite a unique exercise for the Royal Air Force. So we're employing ACE, Agile Combat Employment, which is about proving that Typhoon can deploy quickly with minimum people and equipment to deliver the missions that we've been set.
A lot to the Royal Air Force as well as all the participants of the exercise. We've got thousands of personnel that have come from all over the world, over 20 NATO countries, as well as over 200 jets to participate on this large-scale exercise. So to be a part of that means a lot, and as well there's a lot of great training opportunities here, not just for the pilots but for the ground crews as well.
To get here to Germany is no mean feat. It involves everyone across the board, from engineers, logisticians, operations staff, media, everyone on those detachments to achieve something like this with minimum equipment, minimum amount of people to get these jets serviceable and working out here and prove the concepts that we want to prove in terms of ACE for the Royal Air Force.